Hi, we're Brianne and Ben with our two dogs, Bella and Bucky. On this episode, we will show you how we installed our Owl Van tire carrier on the back of our 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. So today we are installing our tire rack. And the first thing we did was we actually installed the hinges on the van. So you can see right here, we put in these hinges. We ordered these off of the same website that we ordered the tire rack on. So when you open the door, you can see that we use the same bolts as the ones that came with the van. We actually ordered it off of Vans. Thanks, Vans. So we're using a 3/8 drill bit, and we're gonna center it inside the hole. Okay, kind of get it started right there. And we're gonna go ahead and drill. We're going to take our step bit and we're actually going to use it to widen this hole. So we only used a 3/8 inch bit before, and now we're going to use the step bit in order to widen it so that it meets the outer parameter of our circle. Might I add too, you're only doing the exterior panel, okay? Up to, where's the measurement? Oh, there it is. 7/8. Okay, so for everyone's information, we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. With that being said, we are not able to really reach our hand in here in order to tighten the bolt on the back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing that we did on the front. We're gonna open this hole up so that way we're able to put this in there and use it in order to tighten the bolt on the back of this.
So you're using my expensive nail polish?
So now we're going to install the outer plate. It comes with this adhesive around the hole. It actually works as like a waterproof, weatherproof type adhesive, so it won't let any type of weather or anything kind of get into that hole and rust your van or anything. So another thing I want to make sure you guys do is when you guys are about to go put this plate on, make sure you guys clean this van or the exterior part of your van. That way that this adhesive won't get any dust particles or dirt particles, and it'll make sure it gets a nice strong stick.
Oh, you good?
right, so while we were putting the screws in on this side here, okay, on the top and the bottom hinge, on the other side, Ben was using this other plate, slid it over the screws, and then used these nuts in order to screw it and hold it in place. The tire rack came as 2 separate pieces, okay? This actually slides in into this piece, and we actually just put the bolts in. We haven't tightened anything yet. We just kind of placed them in to hold it in place. And now what we're gonna do is take this blue kind of like cushion type thing, and we're actually gonna put it right between the backing piece and the tire rack, okay? And then from there, we'll go ahead and slide the bolt in. Okay, and we'll actually put this nut on the very back. Which I need to get this. What a blonde. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up, starting with the door hinges and then moving on to the actual door part. Bolts are hitting the nail.
It was going in the wrong direction.
And guess what, folks? We get to take it all off and do it again.